if in case no problem will occur. Okay, so the first point is about a service desk. So why show all these things just before class begins, and we are discussed all these things today. Importance is, guys, every day check what we have discussed. We have a lot of busies in our daily regular things, right? In a home or in a office related, or maybe other courses, other jumping, other test. Lot of confusions are there. So in that confusions, we hear the things and we'll forget what we heard, what we learn also we'll forget. Okay. So that's why I have written everything in one place only. At least headings you should follow. At least you recollect the heading. You can able to recollect the information. That's a daily studying, daily what is going on from starting. Okay. Do not think like, yes, sir, next Sunday Saturday, Sunday I will sit and revise entire my syllabus. That is never happens, guys. Okay. I'm a very experienced, very lazy person. Okay, so if you are putting competition in a laziness, so we'll see how many people will win here. Okay, I know. Okay, so people will challenge always, never do that one. Okay, this is like a big boss challenges only. Okay, so the point is we are going to discuss about a service desk today, and mostly I will try to complete basic parts today, service desk. Any additional things we want to discuss, that we will discuss next. Okay, main points, guys. First, service desk is a SPOC. Okay, meaning is single point of contact. What is SPOC? Single point of contact. What is SP? Most of the time, so you get SP means service provider. SD service desk, SP service provider. Okay, this service provider provide a service to customer. Service provider provide a service to customer. Customer. Very simple. Service provider provide a service to the customer. Okay, so customer is getting service from service provider, of course. Okay. What is this service? In IT industry, or in IT businesses, everything is a service. Okay, everything is a service. For example, you take IT services. You can search in Google also, IT services. What are these IT service provider or IT services providing from service providers? Okay, we are getting internet. Okay, we are getting internet from ISPs, right? Internet service provider, Airtel, Jio, ACT, U Broadband, Hathway. Okay, so these are all internet service providers, ISPs, internet service provider. That is also a IT services. We are using an operating system, right? This is Windows 10 operating system from Microsoft. Operating system. Applications, we are all using applications. We are using web services, web service or web applications. Easy to write, I put a websites. Websites, web applications, we are getting websites, different websites we are getting, right? Applications, streaming media, YouTube kind of stuff is a streaming media. Okay, analysis kind of stuff we are getting, applications we are getting, analysis kind of stuff we are getting, hardware, PC hardware parts, PC hardware, operating systems, applications, okay, websites, web applications, servers, storages, cloud-based services, like a public cloud services, okay, infrastructure as a service, platform as a services, like I'm using a Google Docs, right? It is Google Docs. It is Google Docs. So just before we take an attendance, that is Microsoft Office 365. Okay, that is also a cloud-based services, software as a services, platform as a services. Like you access the virtual machines from cloud, that is infrastructure as a services. Okay, so different type of cloud services we are accessing. Okay, customer support, IT support, okay, any word supporting, technical support, okay, customer care, use customer care, BP was business process outsourcing, KP was knowledge process outsourcing, something KP was. There is just so many kind of IT industries also there. Okay, so many kind of IT businesses and a different type of IT services also there. Just go through any organization like a Microsoft. Take a Microsoft as an example. Microsoft providing, how many Microsoft thing is providing? We'll see. Microsoft Windows operating system, desktop operating system, server operating system, database Microsoft MS SQL server, database server, .NET platforms, and C# .NET programming support, C# .NET, ASP.NET. Okay, so this .NET related kind of stuff, operating systems and .NET, and of course applications also there. Microsoft Direct, Microsoft Teams we are using, Microsoft Teams application, MS Word, MS Excel, PowerPoint. Okay, Microsoft also providing a both private and public clouds. Public cloud, Microsoft public cloud is Azure cloud. Microsoft public cloud is Azure cloud. Private cloud is SC System Center. Based on a System Center, we can able to create SC System Center Virtual Machine Manager, SC AC App Controller. Okay, SC means System Center. VMM means Virtual Machine Manager. SCAC App Controller. SCDPM Data Protection Management. SCCM Configuration Management. Okay, so these are all cloud based support, means private cloud management purposes. So many are there. Okay, both private cloud related applications and public cloud platform also providing. Azure is a public cloud. Okay, next, Microsoft also providing learning platforms, streaming platforms also providing. Okay, so organization wise, private clouds, so many are there. Okay, BI tools, business intelligence tools for analysis purpose, Skype kind of stuff, means Microsoft Teams already I told, for a communication chatting purposes, different applications. So that is means one organization providing these many, like a different organization. You take HCL. What is HCL? Is providing services. Major the networking in our India and other countries. The networking related means we are using broadband internets, but majority of organization use a WAN connectivity, means leased lines. Majority of companies are use leased lines, like a banking or any organization, any IT big organizations use a leased line way of communication, connecting their servers from one place to another place, kind of stuff. Okay, HCL is one of the leading network service provider. Okay, so and applications, it will applications related is there. Application development is also there. Server management, infrastructure management is also there. If you go to 70s, 70s also providing different type of IT services. Now only it is SAP based services, SAP related and AWS cloud related services it is handling now. Okay, so SAP means like their SAP servers, applications, SAP database connectivities. These are all supported, and SAP based applications also from 70s, and AWS related support also giving for a certain customer basis. Okay, guys. So IT services means not always a application development. There is a lot of things in the organizations. Some managing infrastructures. Some are providing a infrastructure. Yeah. Okay, infrastructure is just a word, but infrastructure means hardware, operating system, applications like your servers, operating systems and applications, networking components, routers, switches. Okay, these are all comes under infrastructure only. Okay, so infrastructure providing, infrastructure management, okay, infrastructure control is also one of the IT services. In the part of IT services, infrastructure means your servers of server operating systems, applications. Okay, servers means server hardwares, operating systems, applications, and networking components like a routers, switches, cables, storage devices, NAS and stands type of storages. They all comes under your infrastructure. Desktops, switches, all comes under here. Cooling systems, everything we put. Just I put a word in between, so then we can understand. Okay, so service provider provide a service to the customer. Now understand who is this customer, kind of stuff. Customer who is purchasing, customer who buy a goods or a service from the business. Who is this customer part? Customer can be normally is like you go, if you go to shop and buy something, you're also a customer. Okay, you're also a customer, kind of stuff. Okay, so customer who buys a goods or service from the shop or a business. Different type of customers are there, guys. I am talking in the first, actually I will tell about this line, but I'm talking in this from here. Why? Because people will get a confused. Customer care means immediately, yes sir, customer care means 24 hours call it is there. You have to attend the call, you have to speak to them, convince them. That is old jokes. Now it is not like that. Okay, So now also there, of course, but that is the different, and your profile in your organization is different from what you do. So what is the difference is we'll see. So the first thing is normally what we think about a customer means. So for example, I am an internet service provider. Okay. Or maybe I'm using internet service from Airtel. I'm getting internet to my laptop from Airtel. Airtel internet service. Now I'm not getting internet, or maybe my internet is slow, random, not for 1 hour. It is continuously slow. Okay, it is not connecting properly. What I have to do? I have to call to the Airtel customer care. Then I have to start scolding them. Okay, so shouting on them, right? So internet is not coming, this is and that is. They patiently should give an answer. They should use they should not use harsh words. So they should use a properly, sir, please sir, this is the issue. You have to rectify. We will get in it tomorrow morning only. This kind of stuff. Now it is. We think so when we say it a service desk and customer care, customer words. When you hear, we thought of this is our profile in our this organization. No, guys. Okay, because that's why I put them in a third category. Is it external customer? The type of customer is external, but public type means a person, any random person can take a service from your organization. Okay, for example, you are working in Airtel. Airtel is providing internet to both public customers and to certain organizations. Okay, so you can go to Airtel leased lines kind of stuff. So Airtel is a two type different services it is providing. One is public broadband internet services, and private organization, two private organization it is providing separate internet services. Okay, both are different. Second is a external customer. In I said client type means you are an organization, you are providing a service to the customers. So you are providing service to the customer means this customer, not an individual person. This customer is a whole organization related. For example, Savant is taken a service from Microsoft. Which service it is? Office 365 service. Cloud service it is Office 365 service. So I'm using Microsoft Team, Word, Excel, PowerPoint. I took an attendance in the Microsoft Edge browser only, right? Excel sheet. How it is possible? Office 365. Okay. So even I can connect from my mobile phone. Okay. So even if my PC stop working, then I will connect from my mobile phone generally. So point is, what is my point is, we have taken a service from an organization, and we are also an organization. Okay. So most of your work is dealing with, as I know, so we are dealing with external customers, means a client. So your organization is a service provider, provide a service to a organization. Service provider. You're a service provider. Your organization is service provider and provide a service to an organization. That organization utilizing your services, any issues occur, any queries are there, they will contact the service desk. They will contact the service desk. So this is what I'm trying to say. It is external type of customers. Then, so what is the top of one? Internal customers. Internal customer means I'm working in 70s. Currently, I'm going to 70s office also. Today I didn't went, but tomorrow, so from office only. So no other choices anyway. Yeah. Anyway, it is good there. Okay. So tomorrow, sorry. So when I went to my office for a first time, then office address is also different. So we went to the office and first we asked, I want a internet connectivity to my laptop, right? So I have to take the class means my laptop need a internet. So ask that service people, I want a internet to my laptop. So I am also working in the same organization. The service desk people also, IT supporting people also working in the same organization only. Okay. So I am the internal customer. I am the internal customer. If I need any request or I need information, if I face some issues, I will contact my service desk as a internal customer. So this is, I divide these words user, client, customer, guys, but everyone is a customer. Okay, just for our understanding purpose only, I will divide them as a user, client, and customer. Okay, so there is actually no differences, but so people use for a more politely. So people use like a client. Oh, client is waiting. Okay, instead of telling customer is waiting. Okay, so publicly main so mindset. This only the word is mindset only. Okay, so most of your work is about external customers, means clients, means it is a organization provide IT support to other organizations. Your organization providing certain support based on maybe it is a storage related, or maybe a application related, or maybe database related, or a cloud based related, or maybe it can be a networking based related or infrastructure related support we are providing from our organization to another organization. Okay, if that organization having any issues or requirement or access permissions, they will contact the service desk. Guys, understand these points? Okay, this is a very good life cycle, guys. I have written all these things again. It will take little bit time to get inside a mind. Service provider provides services to the customer. If customer required information or a query, or you want to report an issue, or required some change of services, they will reach service desk. They will reach service desk. Okay. What is this service desk will do? So why we should reach the service desk? Why we should reach the service desk? This is the picture. Okay, okay. This bottom part confusion. No problem. So a service provider provide a service to the customer. We know that one. Okay, the customer requires something. For example, I am getting a 50 Mbps internet. Now I want to increase my internet speed 100 Mbps. So I have to approach their customer care or a service desk. So ask them to increase my internet speed. Okay, or I will have a query. Just I will ask question. What is the process of increase my internet speed? Or maybe I want to report an issue. This is I am getting an issue like I am not getting internet since last 2 weeks. Okay, or maybe last day. So just on Saturday I reach there. So I seen the internet is not working. So morning I reach there and I check internet is not working. At 10 o'clock I just send a message that to guy and he said just restart your device. It will you will get internet. but I'm not able to connect with my Wi-Fi. Then I realized that he changed the Wi-Fi password also. Then everything is working good. Okay. So either I will report an issue. I'm not getting internet. Okay. I want a change of services. I'm getting 50 Mbps net. I want a 100 Mbps net. I want to cancel the services. So what it is, if customer required an information or a query or a issue reporting or a change of services, they have to reach service desk. How they will reach the service desk, that is different point. Okay, that is also I will give you the list. Next, what service desk people will do it? Service desk people will take the information. So they will take information from the client or a customer, take information, support customer requirements. What is the customer asking that questions? Support the customer requirements. Okay, solving his issues, escalate that issues. Okay, once the issue is resolved, okay, once customer issue is okay. Customer will resolve issues, get information, changes. Okay. Sorry. What I'm trying to say is, so service desk people will take information from the customers, support customer requirements, ask some questions, try to resolve these issues, escalate the issues. Okay, so then customer will resolve his issues, and what are the required information he will get it, and that what are the changes he required, either changes may occur. So this is what is the relation between this service provider and the customer. Again guys, customer does not mean always some random person. Customer is also a can be a part of your organization or a other organization or a random person. Depends upon your support, your organization, your clients. Okay, very good, very good. Yeah. So here is a diagram like a service provider provided service to the customer. Now customer required something information or a reporting issue or change of services, reach the service desk. The service desk people first of all inquiry. So first of all they'll give initial support. So initial support means what is an issue, what kind of issue, did you check this kind of stuff or not, like that. Okay, so first of all, so initial support from the service desk. Okay, and creating a ticket, create a ticket for a customer, create the ticket. In the ticket, the service desk will mention about the customer location, callback method, what is customer requirement, means is any service problem, or maybe he want a change of certain services as a service request. Okay, you want to report some issues, so that will mention the ticket. And the priority list, of a customer. Okay, issue priorities. Okay, so P1, P2, P3, P4 issue priority, impact information, and screenshots of an issue if in case any screenshots are there, so adding those screenshots into the ticket. And this ticket either themselves they assign or they will forward this ticket to a technical team, means a specific team, depends upon the service desk level person. Level 0 usually they will give initial support, but not, it is most like it is self help type only. Okay, and secondary is it is they will try to understand an issue, and either they can able to fix it, depends upon the service desk person and his roles and responsibilities. It means what is his duty to do it. Otherwise, what he will do, simply he will create a ticket and forward the ticket to the specific team. For example, a customer got a network related issues. So network related team is there. A customer is getting a server related issue. He is unable to log into with a server password, something it is there. The server administrator related issues. Some are getting network related issues. Some are getting internet related issues. Mail communication related issues. Okay. VPN access related issues. So based on the issue, error, or their screenshots, service desk person will decide. So give initial support or try to resolve the issue as per his duty, and otherwise create a ticket. Anyway, he will create a ticket and forward the ticket to the specific team based on the issue. This technical team or a technical person, a members in the member in the technical team, understand customer requirement or customer issues, try to resolve it from his end or by going to customer and try to resolve it. Sometimes you have to go to customer premises. Sometimes you can check it from your PC. Then now we are getting. So once customer issue is resolved, the service desk will get a ticket closer. The ticket will be closed. Okay, once issue is resolved, whatever the requirement is done, so the ticket will be closed. So service desk will closer and give the note what is the issue, what is the how issue is resolved, entire thing they will write in this ticket. It is a document. Simply it is a kind of document. It contains a information about a life cycle of this service desk event. Okay, it defines a service desk event. So what happened, how it is going on, how it is completed, everything is noted in the ticket only. Okay, so do not miss the ticket. Means it's like a bus ticket, a train ticket. You've missed the ticket, you won't get it back. You can approach the service desk in different ways. One way is, what is this? So this is also a very big one. So you can different ways to approach the service desk. Okay. So if you are a internal customers, so what is the internal customer will do? Okay. So what is the internal customer will do? So okay, he and the service desk people are in the same floor. Then what he will do, he can go directly and tell I am getting this issue. For example, you want a printer access, or maybe you are unable to connect your Wi-Fi. Then you can directly approach. There is a possibilities there, right? Some people will approach by telephone or a mobile phone, means phone call, or a mail communications. So you got some issue, then you can send a mail. Through a mail you can able to resolve. Like you got some VPN access requirement, so you will send a mail to your service desk and CC to your your manager or kind of stuff, like team leader or a project manager. you put it in CC and you send a request to this IT team also possible. Okay, applications through certain applications, websites, self-help portals also there. You can directly open their portal and you can fill their application. So what is the requirement? You can do it. Self service desk softwares also there to maintain this ticketing or sending a requirements. Okay, like a BMC Helix, ServiceNow, GLPA, Zoho, this kind of stuff. And this service desk also get a information from event monitoring tools, alerting systems. So this will send a alarms like a warning and error messages to the service desk person. So they will see it and they will create a ticket and forward to the a particular team, or they will resolve it from their side. Guys, service desk having a levels, not always same word we cannot use it because of in a level 0 is a self-help portal type is generally level 0 service desk. For example, I need a query still my so I will show you this how service desk works. This is my internet service provider. Okay, I'm trying to connect. Password is correct. No, no. What happened? Didn't change anything. Ah, please keep. I have still 11 days left. Okay, so this is my current plan. Okay, expiry is 10th. Okay, so here it is my profile, recharge, help desk. Okay, guys, are you able to see my screen clearly?
Yes, sir.
It is a L0 type, means self-help. So I don't need to call them. I don't need to send a mail kind of stuff. Simply they are providing a portal to raise a ticket. Okay. Next, I want to raise the ticket. These are already happened tickets. So on last year, October, last ticket is registered here. So I given a complaint, no internet. So if I open last tickets, you can see no internet user and 8th October. And it is closed. Closed means status is closed means issue is resolved or maybe directly closed. When it is created at 6:07 p.m. the same day it is closed, means it took around less than 40 minutes, around 30 minutes, more than 30 minutes it is taken, but it is resolved. 35 minutes like that it is taken. Okay, so this is when issue is raised, when it is completed, and it is assigned to Ramesh 1. Chowdhury. Okay, so my complaint is no internet. You can see here it is. So this is internet not working. I am applied like internet not working on a 9th August 2:45 p.m. So when it is created and when it is closed. And Rita Kumari, assigned to Rita Kumari, status is closed, completed. And admin given, first of all, I given a user is telling means I am telling internet is not working. So admin is given a ticket means comments, admin comments. From this admin means Rita Kumari given a comment that is basic troubleshooting is done. Please check it. Okay, this information may not come to me, but so they are giving a notification like internet not working. They done basic hardware troubleshooting. They given a comment like see frequent disconnection. I'm getting issue again and I'm getting an issue. So then I rise on a 3rd October this time and it is closed in this time and assigned to Ramesh 1 and internet not working frequently keep disconnecting. Issue is resolved and again see 2 times there are put a same message. Okay, it they put at 12 o'clock issue resolved but 6 p.m. So 5 p.m. it's at 11:39 I raised the issue. 12 o'clock they said it is resolved, but 5 p.m. they closed. Means once issue is resolved, confirmation, then close it. Okay, like so many issues I raised so many times. Slow internet speed. Okay, frequent
Yeah,
disconnection.
hello, sir.
Yeah, tell me, tell me.
Yeah, if a customer like raises a ticket and the problem is resolved before it is assigned to a service desk person, then can the uh, customer close the ticket by its in its
No,
end?
no. So maybe it depends upon their self-help portal. It maybe there is a puzzle problem is resolved, no need to do further troubleshooting. But generally there is a callback method, so they will approach how is the issue currently, so they will raise it. Okay,
Oh,
and next is most of the time there is a monitoring system. Generally, monitoring means I'm not getting internet. I raise the ticket, so they are checking and they will come back in a 15 minutes. Okay, they will going to check it in after 15 minutes. Okay, meanwhile my issue is resolved, mine is working fine. So they have a again monitoring tool.
sir,
So yes, customer
uh,
write this
uh,
one, issue is resolved. Yeah, tell me.
can a customer means raise a ticket without the internet?
No, no, no. So it's a different things. Actually, I use a mobile app to raise these tickets.
Oh,
I
yes, sir.
have 4G
Okay.
network. No? Different approaches, callback, messaging systems. Okay, so directly. That's why I'm giving like. Okay, I'm trying to show you that self-help portal level 0, self-help portal from customer side. If you want to raise a ticket, so how much it is? Quite easy. Means it is what kind of issue. I want to raise a ticket. What kind of issue it is? Billing related, payment related, service related, shifting. I am in Pune, but I came to Hyderabad. In Hyderabad, this service won't be there, so no shifting allowed. Okay. If in case same location, if I'm shifting from one place to another place, maybe the service is available. We can shift. Speed issues, KYC details, new connection requirement, okay, and night connectivity issues, third party, software issues, errors, cables, refund array extension, connectivity, package usage, general query, okay, package and usage, general query. So you can select any of these. So based on your issue, okay, general query or a error or maybe it is a speed issue. It can be a speed issue or it is a connectivity related issues. I'm selecting error here. What kind of error you are getting? So that is for not for frequent error kind of stuff. You can select and submit. Or you will go to general query, static IP, electricity bill, other kind of stuff. So night connectivity issue. Service issue, browsing issue. It is third party speed issue, slow browsing, uploading speed. So it is a direct options are there. Connectivity issue, big one. Site is not open, invalid network configuration, static IP browsing system problem, MAC reset, so VPN issues, login problem, switch problem, limited connectivity or no connectivity it is showing. Sometimes your internet shows limited connectivity or no connectivity, MAC cloning, no internet and others. So for example, no internet. Then I will give a comment, since last 1 hour I'm not getting internet, and submit. Once I click on submit, the information go to the service desk team in this organization. So they will see, they will open the ticket, see the details, what is the details of a customer, who is the customer, when it is occur, and what is an issue. If they need to call back to the customer, they will call back to the customer, what is the any other related for further information. First of all, they will check in their monitoring system, so what is going on. So try to resolve an issue. Once issue is resolved, they will close the ticket. And that is important question. If in case customer raise a ticket and within a 15 minutes or 1 hour, half an hour, issue is resolved automatically, and before the service desk people are trying something. But thing is, so there is a continuous monitoring on a certain things, mainly this service connectivity related. So okay, mostly they know issue is resolved automatically. They'll tell the issue is we solve problem kind of stuff. Okay, so this is how the mutual response. Once it is completed, guys, it is closed. And this is for a 5-star rating. So you give 5-star rating for a closed tickets. Okay, so if in case, so the companies for everything they cannot able to provide a call kind of stuff. So they are providing through self-help portals. Okay, and other kind of stuff. Why should we play with this one? Okay, just I'm logging out from here. So the password there are keep changing. I am not. I am changing. I didn't understand. Okay, guys, these are all also provided by different service desk tools. So I'm telling in. I told this self-help is in a level 0 part. Initial support, initial clarifications, FAQs in the levels 0, tier 0 type of infrastructure. From 1 onwards, it is basically initial support is there. That is direct contact details information, but I have pasted randomly. This is a thing. I'm not giving a pictures for internal customers and external customers, but I will show you pictures from here. See, this is the organization and my service desk. From my organization, I'm the customer. Okay, I need a Wi-Fi access. I need a printer access. I'm not getting internet, so I will contact my service desk, which both are in a same belongs to same organization. So it is internal customer. This is a service provider. This organization is also, this organization is a customer. This organization is service provider. Organization to organization dealing. Okay. Next one is, this is a service provider and this is external customers. So external customer means any person. I am using I showed one internet service provider, right? So those are all, like I'm using individual person, I'm using a internet service. Of course, I'm a external customer, but public customer. Okay, like you are using only AWS. I am using AWS for my personal purpose. So I'm a AWS customer. Savant is using AWS cloud services as an organization. As an organization means AWS, Amazon Web Services is a service provider, Amazon is a service provider, and Savant is a client.
Sir,
Yeah, tell me.
sir, service desk, whether, sir, it is a L0 support or L1 support?
In service desk, multiple levels are there, no? L0, L1, L2, L3, right? So your profile you're asking
Yes, sir.
mostly one or two.
So L0 support is basically a self-help support kind of a thing, right?
A self-help support or a basic information kind of stuff.
Okay, sir.
PPT notes is little different from what I'm in a running notes notes. Okay, so you have to carefully read it. Okay, I have taken this information. What is ticket? Okay, what is ticket? I have taken this information. So what is this? No, so we'll see. Um, all service desk events starts with a ticket. Any information. It's maybe a general query, or it can be a issue report, or it can be a change of services. Once it is reached to the service desk, it is become ticket. Automatically it is ticket. Either it is from self-help portals, or maybe a direct call, or directly you went there, or you by mail. So whatever it is the customer given certain things to the service desk, approach the service desk, whatever it is a means it is. Okay, the ticket will be created. Ticket will be created. It is a historical document that details a service event, such as a incident, problem, or a service desk. Guys, these three plus few words are there: event, alert, incident, problem, workaround, change, and service request. These words I will tell, but just try to understand. Service such as the incident and problem means issues, means problems like a issue means like a issue, problem, incident. Like I'm not getting internet. I'm not getting internet. Okay, internet is down, or my server is not working, or I'm unable to access a service. Service is down. Server is down. Laptop not working. VPN is not connecting. Like these are all comes under incidents, and extension of incident is problem. Okay. Service requests are different. Service request is, for example, I want a printer access. I want a VPN access. I want internet access. Okay. So I'm requesting. So I want this particular resources, or maybe a system, or maybe some changes through the service request. Okay, so everything, whatever it is, customer requirement. So maybe it is a change of services, or maybe some information, or a reporting some incident. It should be in the it is in the ticket. Tickets govern and control how service event is proceed. Once ticket is created, so what is the how to proceed with that one? So will ticket will tell you what is an issue, what is the priority of the issue. Okay, so who is going to be take care of the issue? Everything will go by ticket only. There are used to route events between different resources for a solution. So you can route like a you can send this ticket to the particular uh, team person or a particular group or a team. Okay, or maybe you can for a further proceeding you have to take a permission, then you have to send the change advisory board or some authority person kind of stuff, required authority. Okay, it's like application kind of stuff. Application means application forms are there. No, application does not mean that application. Okay, application forms means if you go to a government office or a school colleges, you write a letter, right? You write a letter. What is your requirement? First, peon will take it, then send to the principal. The principal send that letter to the means cashier or some AO department, administrative department. Once they sign it, then principal will say okay, then sign it, and finally it is approved. So that's the way you can understand, just for understanding only. So you can they are used to route events between different resources for a resolution. They record all relevant information about a request, including user note, what user is given complaint, what technician is observations, the technician note, workflow information for how ticket has handled, ticket resolution. Okay, so how when ticket is resolved, so what is the notification, other critical processing information. Okay, I think people are getting bored, very bored or normal bored. This is
Both.
okay. Ticket can document a single incident or a service request. A tickets, normal ticket. So one ticket is belongs to an incident, maybe a service request. So I will add here one note here, guys. Ticket are a different type. Incident ticket. Ticket can be telling about incident. Incident means a report of issues. Service request depends upon organization, but most of the three main tickets. One is incident ticket for a reporting some issue. I'm not getting internet, or maybe server is down, service is down, disk is not working. These are all comes under incident type of tickets. Service request. I want internet. I forget my password. I want email communication, or maybe I want VPN access. I want a printer access. I want to change my internet speed. These are a service request. And alerts. Alerts means through alerts also you will get a ticket, a warnings. Alert means the alert will tell you like a alarm type. It is like a warning or a error it shows. So disk is failure or disk is full. Like a server is load is very high. Server is slow down, or maybe a server is down. Okay, so through monitoring tools you will get alerts. The alerts also will become alert tickets. These are three different tickets. So a ticket can be a single incident or a service request, and these tickets also can group together. So multiple tickets can group together as a single column, so to which is reporting for a one single column also. The ticket is in the backbone of your service desk. It is used for everyday service item that hits the service desk. Okay, so yeah, this is okay. So this ticket related information I have taken from this bmc.com, and already I shared, I think I already shared this link to you. Okay, it is there. And here I have taken a demo. Okay, service desk demo, BMC Helix ITSM demo video is there. In this video, you have to go up to first part, like you have to skip some 2 minutes first video. But in this record, actually what I have done, I explained BMC Remedy ITSM demo version. What is the use of this demo version? So you can easily log in, so you don't require any business email ID, phone number, everything you can give random things. But once you go to this BMC Remedy demo version, so you will understand how tickets are there, how tickets are look like, how to create a ticket, and how to create a ticket, what is the how to assign a ticket to someone, how to write this kind of stuff, like what is the ticket details, some summaries, how to assign a ticket, what is their priorities and impacts. This entire information you will get it. That's why this is also must watch video. Please go through it. So what are the things we discussed, guys, so far? Basically, I start with what is service desk, but I didn't tell what is service desk. I told about service provider and a customer, different type of services from different service providers, and different type of customers, and how to approach the customers, means how to approach the service desk. Okay, so that is how issue is reported to the service desk. Okay, and the ticket, about a ticket and ticket life cycle, and what are the different tickets. This is what we discuss. Okay, and yeah, that is the only left one is what is service desk. Okay, and what is the service desk responsibilities, SLA, OLA, UC kind of stuff. Okay, then later also I will tell about other things. So I will tell this one and I will stop here, and we will go through next part about SLA, OLA, UC part, and as well as, so we will discuss about we have to discuss these things. Okay, we have to discuss this part also. And type of service desk part is also there. Guys, service desk is intended to provide a single point of contact. It means a customer got an information, he got some customer required some information, or a customer want to report an issue, he don't know how to take a help directly from a particular technician, right? So he don't know who is the person is actually will resolve our issues, right? What he will do, he will approach the service desk. Usually like a level 0 should have a multiple knowledge levels. So either as a person or a software. So they will understand an issue and create a ticket and escalate the ticket to the other levels. Okay. So that's it is. So from the ticket, so it is assigned to a particular team. In generally service desk, we have to talk in both the sides. One is, if for example, I am a service desk person or a service desk analyst, I understand the customer requirement or customer issues. So then I will create a ticket and escalate the ticket to the particular team or a particular person in the team, that relevant issue related person. He is going to take care of the issue. So I have to create a ticket and forward. I have to listen to the customer, and I have to take the information from the customer, create a ticket, and escalate the ticket, means forward the ticket to the particular team member, team or a team members related to the issue. That is one side story. Another side story is, I am telling in the second part, I am telling You are a service desk person. So for example, you are a service desk level 2 person. You have a certain technical knowledge on a particular project or a particular technologies. For example, you are a cloud guy, AWS cloud, you are a cloud supporting team. So you won't get a internet outrage ticket, right? So your belongs to the cloud related project. So the customer got a problem with your certain infrastructure related or some issues. He will raise the ticket. He will raise an issue. So you will get that information. You are directly involved to resolve the issues. So here you don't forward it. You don't raise the tickets. You will resolve the issues. Okay. You are also service desk analyst, but still your direct contact to resolve the issues. You're not an intermediate person. You're directly communicate to the customer and try to resolve the issues from your side only. Okay. In this one, level 1 and level 2, there is a difference. Level 1, again, low level knowledge, less experience on the issues. Okay. These small issues, for example, I forget my password, level 1. Okay. So I ask a level 1 person to reset my password. Level 1 type of service desk means he's a server candidate. First of all, he belongs to server. Okay, server management team, junior server management team. Okay, so I forget my password. He's going to reset my password. That is level 1 duty. Level 2 duty is about like a customer is log into his PC, but still there is no group policy application is not happen, or maybe password is correct but unable to log into his PC. Okay, level 2 related support. So level 3 and level 4 are installations, external customers. So level 3 mostly like a high expert. So level 2 do not, we don't, issue should not be cross level 2. Level 2 is experts in the that issue related. Level 3 is a maximum management, making new things and all. Level 4 is a outside supporter, means external supporters are a level 4. So here it is, guys. Generally, I'm telling what is a service desk is a single point of contact between user and IT employees. Or you can tell intended to provide a service single point of contact to meet a communication needs of both user and IT employees. Initial support to the customers. So customer come, give initial support. So customer required something, give first information. Sir, did you check your LED light or not? Check your router connectivity, switch on, switch off kind of stuff. Initial support. Understand customer requirements, customer issues. So some people, very good in the service desk, they don't listen. So you given a complaint, you shout that, one day I got some issue with this credit card. In that days, next is something like, there are there's trying to stretch the words, sentences. They think they know English kind of. Okay. So I got a full angry that day. So whether you want to listen to the customer related or you want to use your waste language on me. So I scold her like, so that is people speak in English, speak in English. That's it. So that is next to don't use that kind of language, guys. Okay, please sorry to say. Okay, provide information to the customer, escalate the issues, ticket management like creating ticket, raise the ticket, check the ticket status and closer ticket service tickets. Satisfy both customer needs, service desk, satisfy both customer requirement, IT providers objectives. What is IT service provider will do? Provide a service. Make sure customer is getting a services. And service desk also dealing with the certain words like a event, alert, incident, problem, change of services, and service request. Monitoring services and SLA management, OLA management, ULA management. And after that one, SLE is very important. So you can try that. Okay. So just take a relax, take a 10 minutes of break. We'll continue from this end, and also service desk. What is SLA, OLA, UC, and also I will tell about types of service desk for today. Tomorrow I will tell about these definitions, guys, but I will give you one small introduction to these definitions. Tomorrow I will explain about these definitions and the importance of monitoring also. We'll discuss tomorrow. Okay. Now take a 10 minutes break. Are you able to hear?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, 10 minutes means 5:40 is okay.
Sir.
5:35. 10 minutes means that 5:35, 5:40. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So because we are hearing from last 1 hour continuously, so
Yes, sir.
need to relax our tea. So go and come back fast.
Yes, sir.